Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the latest level 2 beauty loop box from Mecca. So let's get into it. So the first thing we have in here is a little perfume sample from Tocca. I think the scent is Cleopatra. Let's give it a smell, shall we? Ooh, bit strong, but you know, still all right. I'll definitely give it a go. The next is one that's very exciting, and it is a mascara sample. It is the Urban Decay Perversion mascara. I've never tried it, but I've always wanted to, so that's great to have in the box. Yeah. Next we have a little sachet sample with a card. This is the new Face Fix Line Smoothing Serum. So I'm assuming it's just like an eye cream, just a sachet sample. I've never really heard of this before, so it'd be interesting to give a go. And the last sample is some lipstick sample from by Tyrrell. It's just got like the colors in like a little thing on the back here. Honestly, I'm not a big fan of these sorts of things. Like, just give me like a tiny little bullet or something. Like, these lipstick things just are never good. Like, give us a decent sample, you know? So looking at all the samples, I would say it's a kind of a meh box. Like, it's not really anything to get excited about. Just an eye cream sachet is, you know, it's a meh. The lipstick card is a bit annoying. I'd rather a proper lipstick. The mascara is great, and the perfume is kind of like a meh as well. You don't really get a lot of use out of like tiny little vial, and the smell is, you know, a bit, you know, not my taste, but that's fine. But yeah, in terms of the box, this does not feel like it's level 2. Like, I don't spend the amount of money I do per year to get this sort of stuff. Like, I feel like it's fine to have 2 small ones and 2 decent size, but we only got the 1 decent size sample and the rest were quite small. It would have been nice to receive, at least say with this, if it was in this actual like little, like a mini lipstick or something, that would have been a lot better for the box rather than a card. So yeah, definitely not as big of a fan this quarter. Hopefully next quarter is a bit better, but yeah, I'm feeling as though the boxes are, you know, not, you know, getting very well, like doing very well, especially for level 2. I feel like level 2 boxes are like the worst. Like level 1, they give them good ones to try and get them to encourage them to spend more, and level 3 seem to get good ones because they spend more. And the level 2s, where we still spend a decent amount of money every year, we seem to get the least thought out boxes. So yeah, that's just my 2 cents. Let me know what you guys got in your box this quarter. If you're a level 1 or level 3, please let me know what you got in the comments down below. And if you're a level 2 as well, I would love to know if you got the same or something different, or what your thoughts are on the box. And yeah, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.